but one, covered in love, grace, and God's blessing. As the veil is placed, they are reminded that their union is a sacred covenant where each partner provide a safe space to each other in their partnership and commitment. Ayan po, thank you very much. When two people say I do, it's not just a joining of hands. It's a beginning of beautiful, sometimes messy, but always meaningful journey of life. They are not just building a life, they becoming one. Marriage helps us to grow not only in love, but in patience, humility, and faith. It's in the struggles and joy that they become better together. And every challenges they face, it's not a sign of failure. It's a tool that God uses to shape their love into something unbreakable, something unshakable partnership. Yun daw po yung ingredients of marriage, yung pagiging better together, yung struggles and joy. Pa ba siya ulit o hindi na? Let me share with you, brothers and sisters, in the book of Ecclesiastes. Two are better than one because they have good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help each other's up, but pity anyone who falls, has no one to help them up. Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of three strands is not quickly broken. Marriage is a partnership. In marriage, you become a team, ready to live each other. When life gets tough, you're choosing to share not just the good moments, but the difficult ones too, knowing that together you're stronger. Love isn't always about perfection. It's about partnership and commitment. Mary and Diana, your decision to get married today and choosing each other every day and staying in your marriage is commitment. This passage reminds us naturally grow closer to each other and always seek for growth because marriage is a mutual growth. In Colossians 3, sabi po ni Pablo, and over all these virtues, put on love, which binds them everything together in perfect unity. Mary and Diana, marriage is a journey. It's a journey where you grow together, sometimes in a way you didn't expect. Love binds you in unity, and it teaches patience, humility, and kindness. Choose every day to uplift each other and celebrate each other's dream and offer grace when mistakes happen. That is the essence of marriage. That is love for one another. Because marriage is built on love. Love is not just a feeling, it's a choice. It's a choice and commitment. A choosing to stay, a choosing to forgive, and a choosing to grow together in maturity. A choosing to love daily. A choosing to stay even in a tough season. Commitment means staying rooted in the vows you made. Love may ebb and flow, but the choice to remain faithful and work through challenges solidifies your marriage. Marriage begins with love, but it must grow. It must grow deepen over time. The love that you bought here today, Mary and Diana, is beautiful, but it must grow. It must grow into a love that is selfless, sacrificial, and steadfast. And last, marriage is a covenant. A covenant is holy because God is the author. From the very beginning, in the book of Genesis, God created marriage as a divine institution, declaring that a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. This unity is not just physical, but also spiritual, emotional, sealed under God's blessing. The marriage centered on God is unshakable, and always remember, He is the third cord in your relationship. As I end, may every married couple here today, let your relationship be a place where love grows deeper, patience grows stronger, and forgiveness flows freely. Let your marriage be a covenant that stands firm, not just because of an effort working within. And as you nurture your union, Eric and Diana, today you did not just make a promise, you entered into a covenant. A covenant is not based on feelings, but on faith, not on convenience, but on commitment. It is the highest form of partnership, where two become one not just for a season, but for a lifetime of journey. The passage I share is from the book of the Bible, which will serve as a guide. This is also the manual of life. This is your guide as you will walk together as a married couple. Now I give it to you as a symbol that the Word of God is always with you. Ang pagiging ninong at ninang daw po sa kasalan ay hindi daw po natatapos sa okasyon. Ito din daw po ay mahabang journey to guide our young couple. Ano po, bilang pastor, meron lang po akong pakiusap. Wala po yatang mag-asawa ang hindi nag-away. Ano po, baka po sa mga susunod na linggo, taon o buwan, isa po sa kanila lumapit sa inyo at humingi po ng payo. Pakiusap, huwag niyo pong papayuhang maghiwalay. Joke lang po. Mas marami na po kayong napagdaanan. Mas marami na po kayong victories. Mas marami na po kayong trials in your marriage life, in your family. Ituro po natin yung tama. Ituro din po natin kung paano ninyo ito napagtagumpayan. Dahil marahil, ang inyong pagsubok na inyo na pong napagdaanan at napagtagumpayan ay kanila pa lang pong dadaanan. Pwede din po natin ituro kung maaari nila itong maiwasan. Yun lang po. Marami pong salamat. Ninong at Ninang, pwede na po kayo maupo. Pwede po ba natin silang ulit palakpakan? Ayan. May I call on the bearer of the veil po? Patanggal po ng belo. As the veil is lifted, may it represent the removal of anything that once separated you. Fear, pride, or uncertainty. May you now see each other more clearly, love each other more deeply, and walk together more fully in the light of God's grace. To Mayrick and Diana, let this unveiling remind you that in marriage, you are called to be fully known, fully seen, and fully loved. Just Christ love us. Thank you very much po. I just want to pause for a moment to honor the important person in the life of our couple. Ano po? Nung hindi pa po uso ang catering, ang mga taong ito ay hindi natin makikita ayos. Sila po ay paluto. Ito po ay ang kanyang parents. Po, napakapupunta. Pwede po ba? Parents. Tayo po. Kaya pwede po natin silang palakpakan. Kaya pwede po pumunta dito sa gilid ng inyong mga anak. Ayan. Sa gilid lang po nila. Harap po kayo sa ating mga guests. Sige po. Harap po kayo sa ating mga guests. Ayan.
Natutuwa ko kay Ate Mincy. Ang ganda oh.
Mga kapatid, nasa harapan po natin ang magigiting na magulang. Lahat po tayo naging anak. Ano po? Ang ating mga magulang ay mananatili po sa ating likuran, tagiliran, tahimik na sumusuporta sa ating mga pangarap at plano sa buhay. Ano po? Maging masama man o mabuti ang tingin sa atin ng mundo, ang ating mga magulang, isa lang po ang tingin sa atin. Anak ko yan. Ano po? Sa kabila po ng kanilang pagod, puyat, at paghihirap upang maitaguyod ang pamilya, hindi po sila humihingi ng kapalit o kabayaran. Ngunit, ang pagod na yon at paghihirap ay napapawi sa salitang maraming salamat sa lahat. Hindi po lahat ng magulang nabibigyan ng pagkakataon mapasalamatan. At hindi rin po lahat ng anak may pagkakataong magpasalamat sa kanilang mga magulang. May request to couple this number po. Ayan. Pwede niyo bang yakapin si Mami at Daddy? Mami, Daddy, maraming salamat sa lahat. Ayan. Pwede po ba natin silang palakpakan?
Yay!
Ayan po. Pawi po ang pagod ng isang magulang mula sa pasasalamat ng isang anak na kanilang minahal, hinaruga ng mahabang panahon. Maraming salamat po, parents. Nakaupo na po kayo. May request to couple to remain standing po. Can you face together?
Congresswoman ng Marikina, guys. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. Ang galing. Dance daw. Oh, ang galing nga. Dance pa, dance. Ay, wow, dance. Siya si Pai. Siya si Pai. Ilang taon na si Pai? Ay, 2 years old na siya. Wow, ang galing.
Ang cute naman yung gown mo.
Wow, hello. Ayaw, bibe. Hello.
Dati po, payroll yung 100 lang po. Kaya natira po sila dito.
Check this out. All right, so now, ladies and gentlemen, finally, our couple is ready. So we would like to invite the team bride and the team groom in our entrance area so we can start the party. So muli, inibitahan po muna natin ang ating pong team bride at team groom sa ating pong entrance area. And of course, to our beloved guests, we would like to invite our guests to please settle down. So please settle down. So please find your coffee. here to the wedding reception of Merrick and Diana. And I know that everyone is excited for this lovely afternoon. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, before I start this very special program, can I request everyone ng isang malakas na sigawan na may kasamang
Palakpakan!
Alright. So that's the energy, guys. So good evening to each and every one of you. So by the way, my name is Jam, your host, and once again, it is my honor and pleasure to host this special day of Diana and Merrick. Of course, this is the celebration, love, union, and marriage. Kaya naman, ladies and gents, as we open this special program for our couple, of course, we have to acknowledge the following people who played an important role to their marriage life. Sino-sino po yan? Those people are the very close to our couple. Kaya naman, Ninong at Ninang, kapag tinawag ko nga po kayo, just stand up and of course, give a big, beautiful wave to our crowd. And of course, to our beloved guests, can I request you guys na bibigyan po natin sila ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gents, let's give it up for our Ninang Cora and Ninong Romy Napong. Wow. Wave. Come on, tingin ka ba? Oh, ayan. So that's what we are talking to our Ninong and Nina. Thank you so much, Ninong and Nina, for your beautiful wave to the crowd. Maraming salamat po. Kaya naman, bigyan nga po natin next ng isang malakas na palakpakan, our Nina, Lilia Beth Bernardo. Come on! Wow, diba? Thank you so much. Ayan, sinamahan naman Indakan. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Isabella and Inang with Akisa. Yeah! Come on! Alright, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Ninang Irene Lee Dela Rosario and Ninong Bob Del Rosario! Palakpakan natin sila. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat nga po. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Ninong Armando de Guzman and Ninang Mitch de Guzman. Ayun! Wow, wait, ayun. Ang ganda po ng ngiti ng ating pong Ninong at Ninang. And of course, eto na. Let's give it up for our Ninang Minerva and Ninong Patrick Assistin. Ayun, palakpakan naman natin. Grabe, napakabata. And of course, ladies and gentlemen,